Hi there.
Hi, Viv.
How are you?
I'm doing fine, and you?
Good, thanks. So please introduce yourself.
My name is Tendai Gwaravaza.
Okay, Tendai.
Um,
So what kind of sculptures do you do?
I mainly do abstract art.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you learned with any particular artists, or how old were you when you started
Uh,
sculpting?
my art is typically spiritual. I didn't learn from somebody, but it's typically spiritual.
You didn't learn from anybody. You're self-taught.
Yeah, self-taught, yes.
Okay. Your father didn't teach you.
You can see the difference between my father's art and my art is very different.
Yeah, but your father's a good artist as well.
A
Hey.
very good one, yes.
Hey, and he does fine art.
Yeah, he does fine art.
And what's your father's name?
It's Gwarvaza.
That's right.
Yeah.
So you're standing next to this torso that you've just made.
Exactly.
It's a big one. She's a big lady.
Yeah.
But you also do abstracts and things like that.
Exactly.
So how old were you when you started to sculpt?
I was 15.
15. Okay, there's lots of guys who are 15 then they started.
Yeah.
Okay. And you managed to make a living? You managed to keep your family and to...
Exactly.
Do you like sculpting?
I like sculpting very much, and I'm making a living out of it.
Good.
Yeah.
So have you traveled anywhere?
I'm wishing to travel.
Okay, you're waiting.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So who buys your work and where does it go to?
Mainly the biggest collector is Vivian Prince, and that is from New Zealand. They are stoppers from New Zealand.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And
They used to live here, isn't it?
Yeah, they used to live here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have any message for the buyers that are buying your work and they're looking at this video of you? Would you like to say anything to the people that have just bought one of your pieces?
Enjoy my art. Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, all right, thanks Tendai.
You're welcome.
Bye.